Welcome to Apple Repairs Kent, your one-stop solution provider for all Apple hardware repairs. We fix Apple iPod, iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch. Did you know that we also provide data recovery and data sanitization services? We can recover data from Apple, Windows, or Linux file systems. We also recover data from memory cards, USB drives, external backup drives, mobile phones, tablets, laptops, computers, and servers. Do you need a repair? Please use our website to book yourself an appointment. If you cannot find a repair service, please WhatsApp us for a faster reply. Do you want to drop in a device to us for repair? That's fine. However, repairs will take longer depending on our workload. Please bear this in mind. So, if you have an Apple product that needs a repair, please get in touch. WhatsApp is our preferred method as we often get very busy with repairs and can't always take your call. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this message, and we welcome all your Apple repair inquiries. See you soon.